Hey there, future moguls! So, you want to dip your toes into the magical world of passive income on Amazon? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a fun ride. First up, we've got Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Imagine you've got a bunch of products, but you don't want them cluttering up your garage. Amazon swoops in like a superhero, stores your stuff, ships it to customers, and even handles returns. You just sit back and collect the moolah. Nice, right? Okay, next, let's talk about Kindle Direct Publishing. Got a story in you, maybe a cookbook or even a coloring book for adults? Write it, design it, and upload it to Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon takes care of the rest. Every time someone buys your book, you get a sweet royalty. It's like being a rock star, but without the tour bus. Now, on to Amazon Affiliate Program. This is for those of you who have a blog, YouTube channel, or a social media following. You recommend products, anything from the latest gadgets to that miracle face cream, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's like being a matchmaker, but for stuff. All right, let's not forget about merch by Amazon. If you're a bit of a Picasso or just love designing cool tees, this one's for you. You upload your designs, Amazon prints them on t-shirts, hoodies, and more, and when they sell, you get paid. And the best part? You don't have to deal with any of the logistics. So, get those creative juices flowing. Finally, we've got Amazon Handmade. If you're crafty and love making unique items, you can sell your handmade goods here. Think of it as Etsy's cool cousin. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or even quirky gifts, there's a market for it. And you get to reach Amazon's massive customer base. So, there you have it. 5 fun and easy ways to make passive income on Amazon. Just remember, while it's called passive income, it does take a bit of effort to get started. But once you've got it rolling, it's like having your own money-making machine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best entrepreneurial life. Until next time, keep dreaming big and making those dollars. Bye.